Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how you could do a quick detail on the interior of your car with one product. Gyeon Interior Detailer is safe for all surfaces and leaves a nice matte finish. This Q2M interior detailer is the ideal interior maintenance product to remove light grime, contaminants, and leave a fresh and purified interior feel. So when you don't have time to grab specific glass, leather, fabric, or trim cleaners, this product does a great job on refreshing all surfaces so you could quickly get on your way. It's safe on leather, plastic, alcantara, textiles, glass, LCD touch panels, instrument panels, and all types of interior trim, leaving the surfaces with a matte and non-sticky finish. Q2M Interior Detailer has an alcoholic-based formula that removes the majority of organic contaminants from any surface. This is especially useful in high-traffic areas such as the steering wheel, shifter, instrument panels, and it is kid and pet friendly. So a simple spray into a microfiber cloth or a brush, apply the product, and wipe it off is all you need to do. Here it is on glass or an LCD screen. A leather steering wheel with a combination of plastic controls. That piano finish that shows every speck of dust. The center console, which would have various products such as plastic and leather. Fabric seats. And if you have some tough to reach areas, just spray it directly into a brush and then apply it onto your surface. There you have it, an all-in-one detailer to quickly refresh the interior of your vehicle when time is clearly not on your side. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.